Have John Deere 455. Fuse blown on ignition module while cutting grass. Turnkey, headlights will turn on but nothing else. Replace top 15A fuse. Turnkey, top fuse immediately blows again.
Hi, my name is XXXXX XXXXX. We'll try and help you with this problem. By what you're telling me, you have a dead short. Check the wires after the fuse, and if you find nothing wrong, then if that fuse is just for the ignition module and nothing else, it would sound like you have a shorted out module. But check the wires out closely, you may find a small spot of wear in the short to the frame. Hope this helps. If not, please ask again and I will try and help you out some more. Thanks, Glenn.
Glenn, thanks for your help. It is not clear to me which wires you are talking about after the fuse. The fuse is on a board with several other components and a second fuse that seems to be fine.
Well, in that case, you need to look at all the wires that leave that board toward the engine. I have to say I'm not familiar with diesels, but I will try and help. To me it sounds like a dead short. Either a wire has gotten a bare spot on it or a component for the diesel has a short internal, and if you wish someone that might know diesels better, I will opt out if you ask me to. Hope this helps. Thanks, Glenn.
Is there someone else in the group that can help?
I will opt out and let the question go back out for someone that knows diesels. Have a good night if no one comes to help you. You may ask me for more help.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is. Have a couple of things that get power when the key is turned on. One is the fuel pump, which is mounted in the tank. The other concern is with the fuel shutoff solenoid, which is located near the fuel injection pump. I am not sure whether your shutoff engages when the key is turned on or turned off. First, I would check the fuel pump. The fuel pump is located to the right of the fill neck. I don't know if you can see it without removing the fender or not. If you can, follow the wire leads from the pump to the plug and disconnect it. Then replace the fuse and turn the key on. If it does not blow the fuse, you probably need a new fuel pump. If it still blows, then plug the fuel pump back in and let me know. We will continue from there. Thanks, Brian.
Brian, I will follow your instruction and get back to you in the morning as it is dark here and I have no way to light it up tonight. Thanks for your help, Richard.
My pleasure.
Brian, went for the fuel pump as you recommended. Still poked the fuse in F6 after fuel pump was disconnected. Took your lead on the thought. Downloaded John Deere Technical Manual TM 1517 and reviewed all the circuit schematics for my tractor. Systematically tested everything associated and related to the F6 fuse, including seat switch, engine ground, battery cable to frame, coolant temp sensor, and oil pressure sensor. Poked a fuse on every one of them. Finally, found the fuel solenoid connection was corroded. Cleaned it up and the engine fired up. Finished cutting the grass.
Well done. I know it can be frustrating, especially when you go through 15 fuses trying to figure this stuff out. Glad I could help. Let me know if you have any other questions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.